Hello, this is a tutorial on how to get your AP digital test set up and ready for exam day. So here at this website, and I'll have this link in the comments of how to get here, there's 4 steps. You have to download and install the app. You have to practice the questions in the digital testing app to get a feel for what it will look like. There will also be a lockdown, meaning that once you're in the app, it will lock you out to experience what it's like on exam day. Another step that's really important, this one is probably needs to be done as soon as you can, but it's only open 1 to 3 days before exam day. So you need to look at your calendar, when's your exam day? 1 to 3 days before that, do the exam setup. And then finally, 30 minutes before your exam, you should check in. So the download process, we're going to click View Step. If you have a Atlanta Public Schools Chromebook, you will not download it. It's already installed on your Chromebook, and I'll show you how to access that in just a minute. The only other way to take this, if you do not have a school Chromebook, is to use a Mac or a Windows 8 or higher device, and you can download it. So you'll click the download, and you would download it. It would say download for Windows or download for Mac. If you're on a Chromebook or on an iPad or something, it would say stop, you cannot download, you will have to use the school Chromebook. So if you can use a Windows or a Mac device, if you can't, you need to reach out to your teacher to get a school Chromebook as soon as possible, if you don't have one already. Okay, step 2 is to practice with the example questions, and you would have the app downloaded or installed, or you would access it through the Chromebook, and you should see practice. You don't go to My Exams, you go to practice, and you would be able to take a demo, which would just be like a very quick, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and then the practice might be more like 20 minutes. This is good practice. I'm not sure that it's actually required, but it's an option that I think would be worthwhile. So it's available now, and you would see something like this, and you would actually click this, and it would get you kind of logged in, set up. It's a good practice to do to make sure that you're ready, good to go on test day. Okay, step 3. This is very important, and this will be happening soon. You want to complete the setup. The setup is going to take you a bit of time because you have to, so this would be under the My Exams, you'll click Start Exam Setup. You have to do these following: accept the terms, confirm some information, they're going to check your device for the requirements, and then you can opt out or opt in that they can reuse your answers. Review the exam day checklist, watch a quick video, and wait for the exam to download. And so this is a setup that's going to happen. It's not going to let you take the exam, but it'll have the exam ready to go. And so this is very important that you do this. Like for example, if the May 18th exam, Saturday, May 15th, setup is starting, but it needs to be done before Monday. So you can't really do setup the day of your exam. You need to do it prior to the day of your exam and have that all set up. Okay, last step on exam day, 30 minutes before the exam, you check in. So if your exam is at 4, at 3:30 you need to be checked in. So again, it would look like this: My Exams, you click Check In Now, and it would walk you through the steps of checking in. Okay, so hopefully this will let you follow the steps so that on exam day you can be checked in, because remember, on exam day, if you're not live in the exam at the start, you will not be permitted to start late. I hope this helped. Thanks to you so much. Bye-bye. Okay, hello. So this is when you actually have downloaded and installed the AP exam app. You should have a desktop icon. It may be something you search in Windows or Mac, but it should be here, the shortcut. You double click it, open it up. It may do like an update, have to download something. For me, it does this PowerShell has stopped working. I don't know. Close the program. It seems to work after that. So once you have your username, password in, I have to click the I'm an education professional, but you will not if you're a student. You can also do remember me, and so then it'll log you in. You should only be working under active exams, and it will list your exams. Here it says I don't because I'm not registered for anything, but then remember, practice will allow you to practice the testing environment with the lockdown browser, and all those things would be really good to do as soon as you can, today, tomorrow, well before you have to take your exam. Now, on test day, you'll go to My Exam, or sorry, on setup, 1 to 3 days before exam day. So don't do it exam day; it's too late. Do it the day before that. My Exams, those should be set up, yellow button here. Same thing on exam day. If you've already set up, it'll say check into your exam 30 minutes early. So this is how it works on the exam. All right, so this is on your school Chromebook. So this is from APS. It should say property of APS on it. If it's a Chromebook that you bought or you got from someone you didn't get from the school, you will not be able to use that for the AP exam app. So this is, you'd have to then get a school Chromebook or find a PC or a Mac in your household. So here is how you get to it. Please do not sign in. Go straight down, once this is powered on, to the apps, click apps, and down here you'll see a list of apps that are available. Sorry that it's blurry. Okay, and one of them is AP exam. It should be the first one, 2021 digital exam. All right, let's do that. Yeah, there it is. 2021 digital exam, AP exams, and then you would open that up, and it would have the basically starting screen. Everything would work, and then you'd log in just like you would on the Windows or a Mac. Okay, and you start the same process you saw me do earlier. Okay, great.